Hey guys, and welcome back. This is Alfred, and in this tutorial we will explore how we can fill the content of our resume using AI. So in the previous videos we have discussed how we can use magic writing in Canva to continue writing, to give us information in case we do not have information to give to our CV. So what if you do not like Canva and you do not like the style of its writing? You can head to other AI websites. Of course, the best or the most known AI website is ChatGPT. You can insert something like, I want a short summary for my CV, and it will give you information. But the more information or the more details you give to ChatGPT, the more it will be to the point and it will give you more specific information. So if I copied this text, pasted it here, and added another piece of information like that I'm working as a senior software engineer, it will be more specific and more to the point, and it will be more specialized to my specific resume and tailored for it. So as you can see, it gave me another information, and this information is more specialized and more tailored to my specific case. So if I copied it again and added that I have been working in Microsoft, it will give me more and more details, and it will be even more and more tailored. So after it has written the new summary, you can see that it has added a vital information, which is that I'm a software or a senior software engineer working at Microsoft, and then it added more information. So the more I give to ChatGPT, the more it will give me back. If I added skills, it will give me more information. But what if you do not like ChatGPT and you think that its style is cliche and you need another website instead? So I would recommend a website which is called Gemini, and it's provided by Google. So if I insert the same piece of information to Gemini, will it give me back a result or not? So this is a drawback and an advantage at the same time for Gemini. So let's see what will happen if I inserted the same exact first text to Gemini and how it will respond to me. Now I copied it from here, then pasted and enter. Now you can see that Gemini has not replied back. It asked for information in exchange to give me what I want. So it asked for a profession, experience, skills, achievements, and goals. So this is an advantage because it will be more specific than ChatGPT, but it's a disadvantage because if you want a fast solution or something that can be used urgently, and you don't want to give all this information, then ChatGPT will give you a generic description. So this is an advantage and disadvantage based on how you look at it. So these are two replacements for magic writing in Canva in case you do not like it. So you have three three solutions that you can select between them, and you can choose what best suit you to your own CV. So I would recommend you that you try the three of them on your own and decide which one is best for you. So that's it for this video, guys. In our next tutorial, we are going to discuss how we can create our email list and how we can use it to find our dream job. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel to receive our new content. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in more tutorials. Until then, take care and goodbye.